Hello friends, greetings for the day. Today I am going to describe in short GINA guideline for the diagnosis of asthma in children below 5 years of age. So it is very difficult to diagnose asthma in children below 5 years of age, but GINA has come up with a clear-cut guideline in 2025 which is continuing in 2026 also. So there are three components. One component is recurrent acute episodes of which is defined as two or more distinct episodes of wheeze in a year, or one wheeze episode with asthma like symptoms in between in last 12 months. This is called acute recurrent wheeze, but each episode of wheeze should last at least for 24 hours. This is number one component. Number two, there is no alternative diagnosis possible for this wheezy child under 5 years of age. Number three, there is adequate response to short acting beta agonist within 20 to 60 minutes, or if the episode is severe, moderate to severe, and we had to give oral corticosteroid with short acting beta agonist, then there should be a clear cut response within 3 to 4 hours. Or if in suspicion we have started inhalational corticosteroids, then there should be decreased severity and or frequency of episode in 2 to 3 months of trial of inhalational corticosteroids. So if all three components are present, safely we can label a diagnosis of asthma in children below 5 years of age. Be cautious in diagnosing asthma in children below 12 months of age. So if we can estimate the blood eosinophil count, and we can prove eosinophilic inflammation, it will support the diagnosis of asthma. And if there is any history of atopy in the child or in the family, it will support the diagnosis of asthma. So this is the clear-cut guideline of asthma in children below 5 years of age. For more such knowledge, please join fellowship program under Respiratory Foundation of India in Pediatric Technology, Bronchoscopy and Sleep Medicine, and myself, Dr. Dev Jha, Chief Faculty, Respiratory Foundation of India. Thanks. Be aware. Take care.